So, what's good, folks? It is Lauren coming at you on Monday, and I have decided to start a little segment called Money Mantra Mondays. And really, it is to speak to our thought process and mindset around our money, right? So, it's the thoughts that lead to the actions, and the actions that lead to the outcomes. If we don't have the right actions, the right thoughts about money, how are we going to do the right things with it, right? So, I had to really start in this process for myself, just start looking at what are my thoughts about money. I don't think it's evil. I don't think it's the root of all evil. I know we can hear quotes and heard sayings about things, but at the same time, I know that my relationship with money needs a little bit more work. And just like any other relationship, it starts with the thoughts. We got to put in the work, but the work starts with the thoughts and the mindset. And so the mantra for today is I choose to think only positive thoughts about money. And so that really, as I thought about it, had me looking back and like, what did I hear growing up? What did I see? When have I been stressed in relationship to money? And did I blame it on the money and not on the way I responded to having money and the actions that I took with the money I had, right? I do believe being responsible with your money will make you feel better about it. And when you feel better about it, you'll attract more of it. So today, I hope you will join me in that we are going to be intentional about having positive thoughts about our money. And that includes even when we're giving it out. I have changed my mindset and kind of changed my words so that I'm no longer saying, oh man, I can't stand having bills. Now my significant other and I, we say, I am so blessed that I have the money to pay the bill, right? Because the stress comes not from the bill, but not being able to pay it. So if I'm thinking positive about my money, it is this money is my money. It is my blessing. It's good for me. It will serve as a blessing to others. This will help my kids. This will get me them shoes I want. This will be my giving to a community member. So all of those things, right? If I start to think positively about my money and all the benefit that it can bring, not just to me and others, then I'm attracting more of it. I'm feeling good about it. It is meant to flow in and out, give and take, and all of these things. So I'm not going to feel bad, and I'm not going to hold on to it so tight that it ends up trapping me, right? So hopefully that helps. That's how I'm trying to go into this week, with positive thoughts about my money, because your girl got bills just like everybody else. I got some thoughts about some other things that it's not necessarily stressing me, but it doesn't always make me feel so great, when big bills are due and, unexpected things come up. And we've had some unexpected stuff come up this week, but I truly believe to think positive. The money will come, and when it comes, it is going to provide the needs, the wants, the desires, and the blessings for me and my family and my community. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any money mantras that you are guided by, please feel free to share them. Put them in the comments below. If this is something that you want to see more of and get some more money mantras, please come on through and tell us how you feel about it. But I just think it's so important for us to be guided by the right thoughts, especially with everything that's going on. And so much is focused on money, how to invest it, how do you keep it, how do you save it, should I give it away, should I do so many shoulda couldas, what should I do? And I think at the root of the conversation and the root of the whole transaction is, do I feel good about it? And if I don't feel good about it, if I can't feel good about it, then I'm not talking good about it. And if I can't talk good about it, then what is it inside of me that's making me feel so bad? Is it truly the money? Because I ain't gonna lie, not having it don't make you feel so great. But is it not having it, or is it not having the things that it can provide for you, right? Because money is a thing, it is a tool, and it is meant to be exchanged back and forth. So, I always like to have fun with it, but I also want to be real with it. And as I'm teaching my children, about it, because, my kids be like, Mom, just go into your pocket and get this money so I can get a new toy, get my nails done or whatever. And I'm like, yeah, that's what it's for. And you should ask me. But at the same time, I'm like, can we also develop some good relationships with it just a little bit? Can we just do a little something, something? And I apologize, my little nail is all broken off. That's a whole nother thing. But so, let's think intentionally. Let us intentionally think about positive thoughts. Let us intentionally have positive thoughts about money this week and see where that gets us. I know I'm going to try today, and actually not try, we're going to do. I'm going to do this week positive thoughts about my money, regardless of whether it's coming in or it's going out. Hopefully more comes in than goes out. But either way, we are going to be blessed by the positive energy in our space, and that is only going to guide better conversations, decisions, and interactions with money. I hope this helped you, because it definitely helped me just talking through it a little bit, and I will see you in the next video.